मिस वर्ल्ड की हर ताजपोशी एक नए अध्याय की शुरुआत करती है। एक ऐसा अध्याय जो सौंदर्य प्रतियोगिता से हटकर वैश्विक सहायता कार्यक्रम द्वारा दुनिया के पिछड़े वर्ग के लोगों की मदद की शुरुआत करता है। पिछले 46 वर्षों से लोगों की मदद करने का काम ही कंपनी की मुख्य जिम्मेदारी रही और मिस वर्ल्ड ने इस काम में बेहद मदद की है। संकट के समय मदद पहुंचाने से लेकर सहायता कार्यक्रमों की शुरुआत करना, जैसे हैटी में पीने योग्य पानी पहुंचाना, कुष्ठ रोग परियोजनाएं, अफ्रीका में ऑपरेशन भुखमरी मिटाओ, दक्षिण अमेरिका में क्लेफ्ट पैलेस सर्जरी के लिए अभियान। दरअसल इन कार्यक्रमों द्वारा विश्व के बहुत से इलाकों में मदद पहुंचाई जा चुकी है। ये एक ऐसी कहानी है जो आपने कभी नहीं सुनी होगी। इस कहानी में आप जानेंगे कि क्या होता है जब गाउन और तियारा उतरते हैं और मिस वर्ल्ड ब्यूटी विद अ पर्पस की तैयारियां शुरू होती हैं।
Well, welcome everybody to the British Virgin Islands. It's fantastic to have you here.
And as you can see, the old school is severely devastated.
You've probably done more glamorous work. This is not about glamour, this is about to get the kids back into school.
And ladies, you must be so pleased. Just you being here, the amount of money that's been raised tonight.
No, it's an incredible amount of money for all the kids who need it. It's amazing.
यूएसए से जाने के बाद मानुषी अपने पब्लिक प्रोफाइल को प्रचलित करने में व्यस्त थी और मिस वर्ल्ड के अगले मानवतावादी दौरे के लिए हम जा रहे हैं दक्षिण अमेरिका के दिल साओ पाउलो में, जो ब्राजील का सबसे अधिक आबादी वाला शहर है।
We're going to meet the first lady right now, and I'm very excited because we're going to be talking about the work that we have come here for, and we know that the government over here has taken up a lot of initiatives to help the people to make lives more easy. And I'll also be telling her about my projects and the work that Miss World has been doing. We've already had such an amazing trip. We've been to so many countries already. So I'm pretty sure that this meeting is going to go really well.
फर्स्ट लेडी के साथ एक लजीज ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए हम एयरपोर्ट से सीधे उनसे मिलने गए। चैरिटी के कार्यों और ब्राजील में भविष्य के ब्यूटी विद अ पर्पस प्रोजेक्ट की चर्चा करते हुए मिस वर्ल्ड की टीम ने अपने विचार व्यक्त किए।
It has to be self-sustaining.
Tem que ser autossustentável. Quero aproveitar e parabenizar você pelo seu programa desenvolvido na Índia, nas aldeias, e agora que eu já soube que você vai estender pouco esse seu programa, eu estou apaixonada por ele.
We were discussing about the work that we've been doing. She's already read about the menstrual hygiene work that I've done in my country and that now we'll be carrying out in other countries as well. And it was quite exciting because they've been doing similar kind of causes over here.
It was a very fruitful and productive meeting, and we are sure that we are going to work together further on.
एक मीडिया जागरूकता कार्यक्रम के दौरान मानुषी साओ पाउलो के सेंट्रल मार्केट में आई है, जहां उनका इंटरव्यू फाबियाना एलिविएरा लिंग, जो ब्राजील के सबसे बड़े मैगजीन टीवी शो डोमिंगो स्पेक्टेकुलर की होस्ट है। ये मार्केट पके हुए मांस के लिए बहुत चर्चित है और फाबियाना चाहती हैं कि मानुषी कुछ स्थानीय व्यंजन चखे। बदकिस्मती से कोई प्रेस को ये बात बताना भूल गया कि मानुषी वेजिटेरियन।
I just came to know that there is no vegetarian meal over here in Brazil. This is the biggest food market that I have ever seen, and since they don't have many vegetarian options, I think I'm going to try the fruits. But the fruits here are supposed to be delicious.
मानुषी कैमरा में अपनी अच्छी छवि प्रस्तुत करती है और हमेशा नई चुनौती के लिए तैयार रहती है।
I've had cashew nuts before, but this is actually the fruit part of it, and this is the first time I've even seen it.
ब्राजील में कुछ समारोहों के बाद 3000 किलोमीटर उत्तर की ओर मिस वर्ल्ड ब्राजील के नए राष्ट्रीय ब्यूटी विद अ पर्पस प्रोजेक्ट का शुभारंभ करने के लिए पहुंची। अब ये फाउंडेशन की स्थापना 1954 में हुई थी। चैरिटी के तौर पर वो डाउन सिंड्रोम और अन्य जेनेटिक विकारों से पीड़ित लोगों की मदद करते हैं। इस दौरे के दौरान मानुषी के साथ मिस्टर वर्ल्ड ब्राजील कार्लोस फ्रैंको और मिस वर्ल्ड ब्राजील गैब्रियल विएला और ब्राजीलिया की स्थानीय टाइटल होल्डर इस्बेला शॉर्ट होंगी। वे अपिये के बच्चों के साथ बातचीत करेंगे और इस संस्थान द्वारा किए जाने वाले कार्यों को करीब से जानेंगे।
She did that around 5 days. She finished that. It's so beautiful. Muito bom. Parabéns. Look that sky.
Beautiful eyes. So here, Mr. Erlison is showing me the different work that he's done. I think it's beautiful.
अब ये वरिष्ठ निवासियों के लिए बहुत सी कक्षाएं चलाते हैं और सामाजिक मुलाकातों के बहुत से पहलुओं के बारे में बताते हैं, जैसे आर्ट और टेक्सटाइल क्लास से लेकर म्यूजिक और डांस तक। इनमें से बहुत सी कक्षाओं में निवासियों को रोजगार के अवसर प्राप्त करने लायक शिक्षा भी मिलती है, जिसमें पुस्तक पुनः नवीकरण कार्यक्रम भी शामिल है।
Over here, they work on restoring books. This is the first model in the entire country where they do this kind of work. And this is a fully finished book. As you can see that there's a cover on it, it's been bound, and it's good as new to use. And this model is being used in the whole country now. This was the very first place where they started book restoration.
यहाँ पर मिलने वाले बहुत से प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग कार्यक्रमों में से ये एक है। फाउंडेशन का ये काम बेहद प्रेरणादायक है, लेकिन खुशी के इस आवरण के पीछे असल में अब ये बहुत मुसीबत है।
They need more space. They have so much of potential, but they need more areas of learning.
यहाँ बनी इमारत केवल 200 लोगों के ठहरने के लिए बनी थी, पर इस वक्त यहाँ 500 से अधिक स्थायी निवासी। आर्थिक मुश्किलों के साथ साथ इमारत भी अब कराहने लगी है और उन्हें भौतिक और आर्थिक रूप से विकसित होने की सख्त जरूरत है।
This document here is a request which we're going to be presenting in front of the government, so that they might help build a third floor and expand the learning center.
ब्यूटी विद अ पर्पस टीम ने अपने प्रभाव का उपयोग करते हुए फेडरल डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ ब्राजीलिया के गवर्नर रॉड्रिगो रोलेम्बर्ग से बैठक बुलवाई है। मानुषी ने इस अवसर पर अपीए की समस्याओं को सुलझाने के लिए सरकारी मदद हेतु आधिकारिक आवेदन दिया।
It would be wonderful if the government could extend their support to build another floor so that there's more space.
Que bom, vamos encaminhar com maior atenção.
Obrigada. It went really well. I gave the document and we got a really positive response from him. He already knew about the work that APAI has been doing and he's been very supportive already.
अपीए की डायरेक्टर इस बात से बहुत खुश है क्योंकि इस तरह का साथ पाना लगभग नामुमकिन है और उनके पास मानुषी के नाम का एक खास संदेश है।
Thank you.
A sua fala, gostei muito pelo seu apoio e você falou muito bem do governador, viu? Eu tenho certeza que ele vai nos ajudar. Você levantou a nossa bandeira.
लगभग हर उस देश में जहां हम जाते हैं वहां हमेशा स्थानीय अभियानों में शामिल होने की कोशिश करते हैं और हम हमेशा बच्चों के अस्पताल जाते हैं। गवर्नर के सुझाव पर हम थोड़ा मिस वर्ल्ड उत्साह बांटने के लिए होजे एलेंकार चिल्ड्रेन हॉस्पिटल आए।
This is the hospital that the governor told us about yesterday. The model here really loved by the United Nations and they want to take it to different countries as well.
ये अग्रणी स्वास्थ्य केंद्र प्रेरणादायक तो है ही, पर हमें इस दौरे में कुछ बेहद महत्वपूर्ण लोगों से मिलने का मौका मिला।
Seja bem-vinda
A Brasília.
a Brasília, Manushi.
Tchau.
News of Miss World's presence.
मिस वर्ल्ड के ब्राजील में होने की खबर तेजी से फैल रही है और इसका प्रभाव सब पर पड़ने लगा है। टीम के प्रभाव की कहानियां इतनी फैल गई कि जूलिया मोली के ब्यूटी विद अ पर्पस कार्यक्रम को ब्राजील के लोकसभा और राज्यसभा दोनों ने ही सम्मानित किया। टीम का स्वागत फॉरेन अफेयर्स नेशनल डिफेंस कमेटी के चेयरमैन सभासद निल्सन पिंटो ने किया।
E o fato de vocês, vencedores e vencedoras, terem tomado para si esta causa, a questão dos deficientes, a questão das pessoas que mais precisam, é fundamental para a sensibilização de todos.
Being Miss World opens doors to people of influence, people who can bring about meaningful change. So as publicity surrounding our visit to Brazil grows, we are able to gain the support of the government to our noble cause. This visibility has led to the Senate of Brazil inviting the Beauty with a Purpose team to Congress.
I would like to thank Mrs. Julia Morley. I think it is her vision that is allowing all of us to do such great things in life.
Aproveito a ocasião para cumprimentar e agradecer todos os integrantes da comitiva que está no Brasil.
Manusha, I want to thank you for being here because your presence, being welcomed by the Senator Paine, it was very important because when you have the support from the Senate, from the House of Representatives, things become easier to support social projects, to support beauty with a purpose. So once again, I want to thank you for being here in Brazil, and you have made a tremendous impact in the work we're doing here. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's been a busy few days, but there's one more great cause we need to support. Tonight, we rally behind APAI one more time to raise as much money as possible at their fundraiser fashion show.
बहुत से लोग आए हैं और हमारे द्वारा आमंत्रित समाज सेवियों, सरकारी अधिकारियों और बिजनेस मुगलों के आने से हमें उम्मीद है कि अपील को बढ़ाने के लिए धन इकट्ठा करने के हमारे अभियान में बहुत मदद मिलेगी।
Such great success that we have achieved here in Brasilia. I cannot wait to see what next adventure would be here in Brazil as we travel for leprosy. The APAI fundraiser was a huge success, but with a demanding schedule, we have to leave early as we head to Belém. On our travels north, we get exciting news. Governor Rollenberg has signed a declaration that commits the government to long-term support for APAI, including the building of the new wing at the center.
2000 किलोमीटर की यात्रा करने के बाद हम बेलेम पहुंचे, जहां ब्राजील में ब्यूटी विथ अ पर्पस टीम एक सबसे महत्वपूर्ण दीर्घकालिक कार्यक्रम चला रही है, कुष्ठ रोग के खिलाफ युद्ध।
We are in the Vajala River, which is going to join the mighty Amazon very soon. We've come over here to reach out to the remotest areas possible in the Amazon because it's important to spread the word amongst these communities who do not have access to that much of information.
पिछले 6 वर्षों से लोगों के बीच ज्यादा जानकारी पहुंचाना और प्रभावी उपचार मुहैया कराना ही इस कार्य का बीड़ा उठाने की मुख्य जिम्मेदारी रही है। मिस वर्ल्ड की चेयरमैन इस प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर बेहद पैशनेट है और इस बीमारी को खत्म करने के कार्य के लिए दृढ़ संकल्प कर चुकी है। पर ब्राजील में इस विषय का समाधान करना बेहद कठिन है क्योंकि लोगों की धार्मिक मान्यताएं इसके साथ जुड़ी हैं।
Leprosy on the Bible is completely different from what I'm talking about today. But people associate both things.
पौराणिक काल में ये माना जाता था कि कुष्ठ रोग एक महामारी है जो केवल पापियों को होती है और बीमारी से इस सामाजिक कलंक के जुड़ने का अर्थ है पीड़ितों द्वारा अकेलापन और सामाजिक बहिष्कार झेलना। इस वजह से लोग इसका इलाज करवाने से भी कतराते हैं। हमारा दृष्टिकोण इस मिथक को दूर करना और इस कलंक को शिक्षा द्वारा खत्म करना है। इस दौरे के लिए स्थानीय सहायता पहुंचाने हेतु मोहान नामक एनजीओ ने हमसे हाथ मिलाया।
It's a really crowded place, but it has 20% of the leprosy cases in Brazil.
संयुक्त टीमें सीधे काम पर लग गईं और यहाँ के समुदाय को इलाज और निवारण की जानकारी देते हुए पर्चे बांटने का काम किया। ये कार्य बेहद जटिल है क्योंकि सरकार ने इस बीमारी का नाम बदलकर हैंसन डिजीज कर दिया है।
People actually used to know the disease as lepra.
Yeah.
So we changed the name so the people don't know what is it. So that's why we are here.
एनरिक ने हमें समझाया कि इस बीमारी का नाम कुष्ठ रोग से बदलकर हैंसन क्यों रखा गया है।
Completely associated to sin, punishment, wrong things, and it's not like that. So they made sure that a law was approved to change the name.
समस्या ये है कि हैंसन डिजीज से जुड़ी स्थानीय जानकारी बेहद सीमित है।
Nothing. I asked a little girl what she knew about Hansen's disease or leprosy, but she didn't. She said she didn't know anything about it, or whatever she knew, she's already forgotten. So maybe she didn't want to talk about it, or maybe she actually wasn't aware. So there can be two possibilities, and both are bad.
If someone else goes and talks to the kids, they are scared. They don't want to do the skin examination. But if it's Miss Brazil, they go, oh, okay, let's do it. And some of the actions we did, we actually spotted like 2 or 3 people who had the disease in an early stage, and they got treatment.
इन समुदायों के बीच रहकर टीम का लक्ष्य इस सामाजिक कलंक को खत्म करना है और ग्रामीण लोगों को ये भी बताना है कि इसका इलाज मुफ्त में उपलब्ध है।
Good. We are explaining to the people how the leprosy has a cure and has a treatment. So I think we're gonna make a good job.
Obrigada. Você com a sua beleza, você trazendo esperança para nossa comunidade.
know, sometimes people tell us, why don't you change the subject? Why don't you do something else with Beauty with a Purpose? No, you know, when Julia came, she had so much enthusiasm. She understood the importance of it. So for us, it's something that we want to keep doing until there is no more leprosy.
कुष्ठ रोग को पूरी तरह से खत्म करना एक बहुत बड़ा काम है, पर फॉन्टेस इस अभियान के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है और इस टीम ने पारा के गवर्नर से मुलाकात करने की व्यवस्था कर ली है ताकि इस कार्यक्रम के लिए ज्यादा सरकारी हस्तक्षेप और सहायता मिल सके।
I have a document which I'll be giving to the governor of Para, which has a request to increase the accessibility over here so that we are able to reach across more people, especially when it comes to education institutions, schools, talk to children about Hansen's disease and spread more awareness. Nice to meet you. You don't mind, there are certain requests that we have.
Então ela está dizendo que ela tem algo que, em nome do monitor, ela gostaria de entregar ao senhor.
So that we are able to reach out to as many people as possible, especially schools, so that children can learn and they can go home, teach their parents as well, so that more people talk about this disease. And it might not be easy to fight a taboo, but we're not here to tell what people were doing wrong. We're here to tell what people can do now.
Muito feliz de ver que a senhora é tão bonita por dentro como por fora.
He said that he's amazed by you and he's very impressed on how stunning you are outside, but inside he's very touched.
गवर्नर जर्टन से मुलाकात करने के बाद हमने अपनी सड़क यात्रा जारी रखी और मारिटूबा में जाओ पॉल द्वितीय नामक कुष्ठ रोग कॉलोनी में गए।
Como é que acontece essa transmissão?
E a transmissão é pela respiração, um bacilo parecido com o bacilo da tuberculose. Então,
it's similar to the bacillus.
इस संस्थान में नए कुष्ठ रोगियों का इलाज तो होता ही है, साथ ही साथ ये एक आवासीय केंद्र भी है जहां 90% रोगियों का इलाज होता है।
Essa nossa diretora do abrigo, ela faz trabalho aqui pela Secretaria Estadual de Saúde, junto com outras instituições, e é sempre uma grande parceira do movimento de reintegração das pessoas atingidas pela hanseníase, na luta contra o preconceito e abrigando e protegendo as pessoas que foram isoladas.
For me, it is an honor that I am able to be a part of this movement. Of course, Miss World has been associated with this cause for the last 5 years, but as the reigning Miss World this year, I feel proud that I could do my little bit for Brazil and for the leprosy over here.
I would like to salute all of you that you have put up such a great system, and this is something that I'd like to take back to my country as well.
हमें एक चौंकाने वाली बात पता चली कि यहाँ रोगियों के ठीक हो जाने के बाद भी वे इस जगह को छोड़कर नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि उन पर इस बीमारी का कलंक लग चुका है।
He's not able to talk anymore.
Okay.
I think he's just happy to see you.
Okay.
But he's not saying anything.
Tell him I'm very happy to see him as well.
Ele está muito feliz em conhecer o senhor. Let's take care to not give him a heart attack. Okay? It's too much emotion for him.
लोगों को हमारी यात्रा द्वारा हमने यही संदेश दिया है कि इस बीमारी का जितना जल्दी हो सके उतनी जल्दी इलाज करवाएं।
He's been treated for 2 years, and that's why he lost his legs, because it took so long for him to get treatment.
Tell him thank you because usually this happens in Bollywood.
He's saying that you're the queen. She can close her eyes properly because of the disease. She had a lot of surgery, but unfortunately wasn't able to restore.
That's all right. I think she's beautiful. Linda.
Você é linda.
É linda mesmo. Ela é linda, né, meu amor? É muito bom, porque eles se sentem, como é que eu vou dizer assim, privilegiados, eles se sentem importantes. Imagina, ver uma pessoa, uma Miss Mundo, né, que ganhou em primeiro lugar, então eles ficam muito agitados, eles ficaram muito felizes realmente, né, viu que o Sr. Pedro Martins veio correndo, quero ver ela, né, então, é uma novidade, foi assim um estímulo muito grande para eles, como eu estou dizendo para vocês, então desde cedo aí, 1 hora dessa, eles já estavam no 3º sono.
इस खास जगह में हमने कुछ बेहद दिलेर लोगों से मुलाकात की, पर अब भी एक खास निवासी से मिलना बचा है।
We've yet to meet.
Ela é vaidosa, ela gosta de se arrumar, de roupa nova, de parecer bonita. Ela se arrumou toda, tá com um vestido novo para esperar a Miss Mundo.
डॉना मारिया 92 वर्ष की है और इस कुष्ठ रोग कॉलोनी में पिछले 60 साल से रह रही हैं। जब वो यहाँ इलाज हेतु आई थी तब उन्हें ये भी पता चला था कि वो गर्भवती
Conheceu sua filha tempos depois?
Depois ela estava com 15 anos depois. Conheci ela. Muito emocionada também. Muito emocionada.
Como que você descobriu que você estava com essa doença?
Ah, porque me parecia mais mancha assim, na costa e outro canto, na minha casa. Aí eu tava com uma patroa, ela foi me levar no médico.
E logo te trouxeram pra cá?
Trouxeram pra cá. Eu não queria vir de jeito nenhum.
Não, né?
Não.
Veio forçada?
Mais ou menos, forçada mesmo.
हालांकि डॉना मारिया ठीक हो चुकी हैं, पर बहुत से लोगों की तरह इस बीमारी से जुड़े कलंक और डर के कारण वो इस जगह को छोड़कर वापस समाज से नहीं जुड़ सकती हैं और इसलिए वो एक नजरबंद कैदी की तरह यहाँ रहती हैं।
As a virtual prisoner.
What you're doing here is beyond words, and it was an eye-opener for me. So thank you so much. Muito obrigado for that.
You're welcome. Eu espero que você leve essa causa nossa, né, essa luta para o mundo inteiro, que é uma causa de justiça, né? Porque essas pessoas não pediram para estar aqui como vieram, né? E nós não queremos que o mundo continue assim. Eu acredito que você, com a sua sensibilidade, você vai levar a nossa causa à frente.
No, thank you. I think you made me cry, and I was praying that my mascara is waterproof the whole while.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
जब तक मिस वर्ल्ड टीम सरकारी समर्थन हासिल करने और राष्ट्रीय नीतियों में बदलाव करने की कोशिश में लगी रहेगी, तब तक सामाजिक स्वीकृति और समावेश की लड़ाई जारी रहेगी। ये बात भी हमें याद दिलाती है कि मौजूदा मिस वर्ल्ड के दायित्व तेजी से बदल रहे हैं। मन में ये बात रखते हुए कि हमने यहाँ बहुत कुछ हासिल किया, बेहद गर्व के साथ हम आगे बढ़ते हैं।
Right now you are standing 192 metres above Auckland City.
The Miss World organization is clearly a platform for all these young women to make a change, to make a difference, and better the lives of so many people.
And today we have 2 Miss Worlds with us, and we're going to give them an interview.
At the moment, we have more than 150,000 students every year signed up and using our website. And there's been more than 1 million tutorials viewed in total since 2012 when we started.
I've marinated the chicken drumsticks. I've put them in the oven. She's cutting pumpkins over there. She's a sous chef at best. I'm the real deal.
Watch me run.